What's up, YouTube? We've got some goodies today for the Corvette. Specifically going to be talking about these. This has been an unboxing video for these hockey puck things that you can use with the jack stand. Saw a video the other day, decided I'd give them a try. $24.99 on Amazon. I figured you can't go wrong. These are all aluminum. I'll show you where they fit and what they do. So underneath the car, you're going to see a spot here. And there's 4 of these. One in the back there, one here, and then of course on the opposite side. So what this piece does is it fits in this slot. And that way you have a really good spot to jack with. If you've got a low profile jack, it extends a little bit of length down so that you don't hit this plastic piece. The way that these fit in, 2 screws go in. There's another metal piece that fits perfectly with this slot. So you put it in, twist. We're going to screw these in. Let's get them set up. I believe this kit comes with a key. Yes, here it is. So first I'm going to tighten this so that it's flush with the block. It's going to go in like this, up, twist, because that hole is the same shape as this. So I'll put the hole below that and then twist it, and that locks it into place. Use the same Allen key, and we'll tighten it in. I'm just going to do these hand tight. There, that's really secure. I can't move that in any way.